So this video is gonna double as an intro and kind of an update because it's been a while. If I go to my YouTube, it's probably been like 3 weeks since I've last posted. Now, the reason for that is my classes started, so there's more focus there. But with that being said, I do want to post more videos, and I'm going to start a new series. I kind of start series, and then I stop them and start them back up again, and that's okay. It's just kind of how I'm doing it. Classical mechanics, we're in chapter 2. Almost, I think we actually do have the first chapter in modern physics done. We're just doing review problems now. And then electricity and magnetism, I haven't really started yet. That's going to happen eventually. But first, we're going to start with start up a new series on General Chemistry 1. The reason why I decided to do this is, and the reason I decided to do this YouTube channel, you know, if it helps people, that's great. If you can learn something, if this helps you, I hope it does, that's awesome. But the reason why I originally started this was because it's a way for me to learn as well. You know, if you're able to teach somebody else, you could teach yourself, in a sense. If you can teach it, you know it. So that's something that's really helpful. As I worked as a tutor, that's something I found to be true. You know, I remember I was helping one kid with factoring or something like that. I don't remember exactly, and it got me out of this algebra exam and a Calc 3 exam. So it's very helpful to do this, in my opinion, for yourself. And if it helps other people, that's awesome. I know Gen Chem 1 is needed for a lot of different things. This is mostly a physics YouTube channel. Well, you need a year of physics in almost all institutions to get your bachelor's. So yeah, if you're interested in majoring in this, I'm assuming that's at least a portion of people watching, then you need to know Chemistry 1, you need to know Chemistry 2, and we're going to start with Chemistry 1, where we all start. And there's other places like engineering, they need Chemistry 1, maybe Chem 2, depending on the institution. So if you're an engineering guy, this is helpful. Obviously, if you're a chemistry person, this is helpful. It's just good to know. And the other thing I want to mention is I'm not incredibly well-versed in chemistry. I feel like I understand it, but it's not like physics where it's something I read a lot of in my off time. You know, that I'm a little more comfortable with. I'm not buying chemistry books just to read them, really. I do that with physics books, so I feel a little more comfortable with physics. Just, you know, as a disclaimer, I'm not an expert chemist or anything like that. But that's okay, because you don't have to be to learn, and that's totally fine. So hopefully we can learn chemistry together, and yeah, hopefully there'll be some videos coming out pretty soon, like maybe today or tomorrow. I have to finish some stuff for chemistry, actually, so I gotta finish a lab report and a pre-lab, and then after that, expect tons of chemistry videos, hopefully, and if I don't, then yell at me, because it's to help me